Hello, let's start with the basics of inventory first. So we need to build our base of inventory knowledge to be able to properly simulate the inventory optimization models. So I'll start off with the basics of inventory. So what is inventory? Inventory includes raw materials, finished products, components, supplies, and work in progress items. It is critical for companies supplying goods to ensure availability, and hence managing good inventory is very important for your business. And whether you're owning a small cafe or a large production, you will need to manage inventory to be able to optimize or balance your supply and demand. Hence, inventory management connects purchasing, sales, production, and customer service, different areas of your business. It can act as a buffer when direct purchase or manufacturing cannot meet demand, and it balances competing requirements across departments. So in this course, we'll be looking at different types of inventory models, and we'll be looking at how to optimize costs. So let's look at the three most important types of costs when it comes to inventory. So starting off, we have the carrying cost, and this is simply your cost for storage of items. For example, this would be warehousing, insurance, handling, depreciation, risk of obsolescence of items, and high costs generally tend to tie up capital which can be used somewhere else, so it's always essential to optimize your carrying cost. So we have companies using new systems such as advanced approaches to inventory like just-in-time or zero inventory approaches, which would basically make them more efficient and give them a significant advantage in the market. Next up, we have the ordering cost, and this is basically your administration, processing, and shipping expenses. This is everything you need to place an order, administer an order, and ship it across different suppliers. And obviously, frequent ordering will increase this cost significantly. Then we have the stock out cost, and this is basically the loss you incur if you cannot supply the customer at the right time. And also you might rush in to restock the items, which would cost you more. And amongst other things, it will also increase your customer dissatisfaction levels. So obviously, inventory cost, if not optimized, will impact your profitability, will impact your customer service, and also will impact your operational efficiency. And this is why inventory optimization is so critical, because we want to create an inventory model. You want to balance out all of these costs in such a way that it maximizes the profitability for the business. And in this course, we're looking at different models, different approaches, such as DES, discrete event simulation approach, which would be running a simulation using at discrete time using stochastic or variable models as it's part of statistics. So when I say the word stochastic, it means it's related to distributions and variations. And so we'll study different models and see how we can juggle and derive a point where we can have a balance of each of these costs, as well as deliver the highest value for our business.